Here is how to make your Android phone ring like an iPhone. So first of all, you need to go ahead and launch your Google Chrome application on your mobile device. Search for iPhone ringtone from the search bar in the top. Scroll through the search results and tap on any link that you prefer. Then simply go ahead and download the iPhone ring on your device first. So you need to go ahead and access your settings on your phone. Now scroll down and tap on sounds and vibration. Here go to ringtone option. Then tap on the plus icon in the top right corner of your screen. And here select the iPhone ringtone that you just downloaded from the web browser. Then tap on done in the top of the screen and you'll be done. So that's it. This is how you can go ahead and make your Android phone ring like an iPhone. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.